In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design party billboards. This kind of design is very important and it can give you a lot of money, especially during politics seasons. Okay, let's move to this screen immediately. What you are going to do is for you to open a new document. You can name your document Party Billboard. The next thing you are going to do is for you to choose CYMK since this design is for print. Then choose your measurement dimension to fit. Okay, the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to use 4 by 8 for this tutorial. This tutorial it depends on what you want to print, so you use the dimensions of your choice depending on the kind of billboard size you want to print. Okay, the next thing is for us to change this to 300 dpi for quality printing. Okay, please take note of that. Then the next thing we will do, we will press OK. Then we change this to landscape. I'm going to use landscape for my design. Okay, next is for you to bring in your text. I always recommend you type your text somewhere so that it will make your design seamless. Then the next thing we want to do is for us to draw a rectangle into our page. After drawing a rectangle into our page, you use the same dimension you use for that your page. Let's use 8 by 4. Press letter P on the keyboard to centralize that rectangle. The next thing we want to do now is for us to bring in all our design resources. These are all the design resources I'm going to use for this design. Then bring it in immediately. After bringing it in, select everything you have there and right click towards the rectangle to power clip it into that rectangle. Okay, open the power clip. Let's bring this one side. Bringing this one side, and I'm bringing this one side. Let's bring this one to this side. Now begin to position your objects as soon as possible. Let's bring this one here. Position them the way you want to use them. Let's bring this one here. Let's bring this one here. You can play with your design however you want to do it. Okay. Now let's bring this one here. Let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's play with our text now. I'm going to bring this text closer to this name. Please take note of that. This name has to be close to the image you are designing about. I'm going to use title case. Let's break this text into 2. I'm breaking that text into 2. I can choose to bold this text. Okay, let's write something like this. Let's draw a rectangle below this, and we are going to add red color into that rectangle. I'm going to remove the outline. Removing the outline. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is for me to bring this text for a secured and prosperous Nigeria into this space. Press Ctrl Page Up to bring the text forward and press Shift F3 to change it to uppercase. Increase this font Please make sure whenever you are designing for a billboard, you are using bold font so that people can read it from anywhere. Whether they are passing from a vehicle, they can still read whatever text is on that billboard. Okay, let's bring this one in here. I'm going to bring this down. I'm still going to use uppercase here. You can play with your fonts however you see that it is going to look nice on your design. I'm going to use red color for renewed hope. Then for this I'm going to use black color. But please take note of this. When you are printing billboards, the kind of black you are going to use here is going to be processed black so that it can come out very well when it is printed on a flex machine. So I'm going to use this processed black, CYMK 100% for all of them. Okay, then I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to write here votes, but I'm going to work on this place now. See what I'm going to do here. See what I'm going to do here to make this design very beautiful. I'm going to use green for, let's choose green here, and let's remove the outline for that object. Then I'm going to type in votes. Extend your text. Then use white color. You can decide to bold it. Alright. So after positioning these things, the next thing you are going to do is for you to make some adjustments to your design to make sure all these things you have put together are aligning very well. So what you are going to do is for you to adjust all these elements one by one, all these text and these elements one by one. Increase and reduce objects where you see it is necessary. Let's use green color here. Okay, this is becoming beautiful. So you are going to make some adjustments to your design till you see that all of them are fitting very well. Make adjustments to your design and make sure they are really fitting very well to your design. I will increase this. I will bring this one up. We are doing some adjustment to this design. Whatever you know that you have to increase, then you increase it. Whatever you know you have to reduce, then you reduce it. But keep one thing in mind, that whatever you are doing to your design, it is readable from afar. For the fact that this is a billboard, you have to make everything conspicuous and big enough for anybody to see from any distance. Okay, and now we are done with our simple billboard design. So let's see how this is going to look like when it is being installed on the street. Okay, I'm going to finish my power clip and I am done with my design. Let's see how it's going to look like. Can you see how our design looks like? This is looking beautiful. If you like this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on the bell notification so that you can see my next video next time I upload it. Thank you. See you next time.